This is the brief on current flux and surface normals. So understanding how current or flux flows across a boundary is, well, it's absolutely crucial. And it all comes down to the relationship between the current's flow vector and the surface normal, which you can just think of as an arrow pointing straight out from that surface. First up, the only thing that matters for flux is the part of the current that hits the surface head-on, the perpendicular component. If any current is just sliding along parallel to the surface, it doesn't count. It's not actually leaving the volume. Okay, so how do we nail down that perpendicular part? Well, that's where the scalar product, you might know it as the dot product, comes into play. It's basically a mathematical trick that tells you exactly how much of your current is aligned with that surface normal. It's how you find the magnitude of that all-important flow. And finally, the sign of that scalar product tells you the whole story. If the result is positive, you've got a net outflux. Current is flowing out. If it's negative, that's a net influx. Current's flowing in. And if you get zero, well, that means the current is perfectly parallel to the surface, so nothing's crossing. So in the end, the flux through any surface is really just all about the sign and size of the current's component that is perfectly perpendicular to it.